Hello, in this video we will talk about comments, how we can add comments in our C++ program. Comments basically used by developers to memorize why they are using particular function or line of a code, so that when they see their program after some time, so they could easily understand their program. So there are single line comments and there are multi-line comments in C++ program. For example, I'll add a comment here, and this comment will be ignored by the compiler, so it will not be executed. It is only for the developer to memorize why they are using particular line of code. For a single line, you need to add two forward backslashes like this. And for example, I write there, it is header library to work with input and output. Okay. If I need to add multi-line comments, then I will use this sign here, like this, and I'll write my statement here. This is a code to print hello world. So I wrote this code in between comment syntax, and now I'll execute this program. You can see that the text that I've written as a comment, it is not executed by the compiler. So basically, comments are very useful when you work in a team. If 2 or 3 members are working on the same project, it will help your other team members to understand your code. So always add comments where you think it is necessary to add. Thank you so much. If you're new on this channel, please make sure to subscribe this channel. In the next video, we will talk about variable. Thank you so much.